Lot number 135 is a 1996 Ford F250XL. This is an old school pickup truck. It has a good posture. Appears to be in decent shape. It appears to have a bad fuel pump. We're going to start it up so you can hear it with starting fluid and so you can hear the engine. But first of all, let me show you the truck. The front bumper looks good. The headlights are dull. Front grille is faded. It's got a 5.8 V8 engine. We're going to start it up and check to see if the AC works and the transmission engages, but we know that it doesn't run on its own. And excuse me, it's not an F250, it's an F350XL.
It's 250.
It says 350 on the decal.
And then on the other decal says 250.
Okay, and then the other decal says 250. Let me confirm that. And it says 250 on this side. Okay, so let's look at the VIN.
It's a 250.
It's a 250. Sorry. I saw 350 over here. Okay, it's a 250. Yes, it is. Sorry about that. All right, as you can see, the paint is peeling on the roof.
What is coming in?
Some surface rust on the roof. 1 second, Louis, I gotta spray it. All right, the bed is in good shape. It's got dual fuel tank. It's got a bed liner. The rear bumper looks good. It's got a full-size hitch. The tailgate looks good. It's got a few dents. It opens and closes.
Right there.
And the bed is rusted. I'm looking at the line, you see there? Right there. You see the rust? There's rust underneath this bed cover. So just want to make sure that you see that. I just noticed that. All right. Other than that, the body looks pretty straight and pretty good shape. And the paint appears to be original. Like I said, the roof, there's some water coming in through the roof. So it might be leaking from that light, the amber light. And let's hit it. Okay, Louis. All right, so we're going to hit the starter now. And let me turn on the, wait, let me get the spray can ready. Here we go, starting fluid. Go ahead. Okay, the AC is working. The AC compressor engaged. Is it blowing cold?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's blowing cold. Start it up again. I'm spraying it here. The bad fuel pump because it turns right off. Rev it up. Okay, it's engaged, it's going forward. Okay, okay. Okay, you're gonna run me over, Louis. Go back and reverse. Start it up. All right. Okay, it's going in reverse, it's going back. Okay, that's good. All right, it does go forward and back. The engine sounds good. It's idling smooth. All 8 cylinders are running. And that's pretty much it. All right. Good luck. All right, Louis. Let it turn off on its own.